Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see about volume and capacity of different objects with examples. Our first question is differentiate volume and capacity of objects. So we'll see what is volume and what is capacity of an object. There is not much difference between these two words, volume and capacity. Volume refers to the amount of space occupied by an object. If you keep an object, the space occupied by the object, we will call it as volume. Capacity refers to the quantity that a container holds. Okay, so now volume means if you keep space an object, that space occupied by that object, we will call it as volume. Capacity means refers to the quantity that a container holds. Now we'll see with example. See, here is a 20 ml capacity container. So now the glass can hold 20 ml of liquid. So we can say the capacity of glass is 20 ml. But we have poured only 15 ml of liquid. So this 15 ml says volume of the liquid. So capacity is how much the container can hold, and volume is the amount of liquid in the container. So note, so if a water tin holds 100 centimeter cube of water, then the capacity of water tin we'll say it's 100 centimeter cube. The capacity is also measured in terms of liters. The relation between liter and centimeter cube is normally we'll measure all the liquids in liters. So, but here in case we are saying about centimeter cube. Now we'll see the relation between liter and centimeter cube. 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cube. So milli means we know it is 10 to the power minus 3. So now 1 liter equal to 10 to the power 3, that is 1000 centimeter cube. So 1 meter cube is equal to, okay, so it is 1 times we will get 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube, which is equal to 1000 liters. So 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liters. So this is the standard unit. 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liters. Now we'll see one example. So find the height of a cuboid whose volume is 275 centimeter cube and base area is 25 centimeter square. Okay, so solution, they have given volume of the cuboid is 275 centimeter cube. We know that volume is nothing but the space occupied by the cuboid. So it occupies 275 centimeter cube. So base area of the cuboid is given, that is 25 centimeter cube. And we want to find the height of the cuboid. So we know that base area of the cuboid is nothing but, cuboid is in the shape of a rectangle. So base area we will have length and width. So area of this base of the rectangle, that is length times width or length into width. That is the base area of the cuboid. So we know that volume of a cuboid is base area into height. So base area multiplied with height gives the volume of the cuboid, that is space occupied by the cuboid. So from this formula, if you rearrange, you will get height of the cuboid is equal to volume of the cuboid divided by base area. Okay, we are dividing by base area on both the sides. So now we know the volume of cuboid, it's given. Base area of the cuboid is given, it is 25 centimeter square. So now if you divide 275 divided by 25, our answer will be 11 centimeter. So that is the height of the given cuboid. Next question. A godown is in the form of a cuboid of measures 60 meter into 40 meter into 30 meter. How many cuboidal boxes can be stored in it if the volume of one box is 0.8 meter cube? So what is given? Volume of one box is given 0.8 meter cube. Then the godown is in the form of a cuboid. So cuboid, we know it has 3 dimensions. Length, it's given 60 meter. Width of the cuboid is given 40 meter. and height of the cuboidal room is 30 meter. So now we know the volume of cuboid formula is base area of the cuboid into height. So that is length into width into height. So now the Goudon is in the form of a cuboid. So we can write the volume of Goudon is multiplying all the three, length, width and height. So 60 meter into 40 meter into 30 meter. So that we will get 72,000 meter cube. That is the total volume of the cuboid. So volume means the space occupied by that Goudon is 72,000 meter cube. Now it's given. We want to find how many boxes can be kept in that room if volume of one box is 0.8 meter cube. So we know that number of boxes that can be stored in that Goudon is equal to total volume of the Goudon divided by volume of one box. So the total volume of Goudon is 72,000 meter cube and the volume of one box is 0.8 meter cube. So if you divide this, you will get 90,000. So we can keep 90,000 cuboidal boxes can be stored in that Goudon. Next question. A rectangular paper of width 14 cm is rolled along its width and a cylinder of radius 20 cm is formed. Find the volume of the cylinder. Take 22 divided by 7 for pi. Okay, so what is given? Width of the rectangular paper is 14 cm. Okay, and a cylinder is formed by rolling a rectangle about its width. So with this 14 cm is given. So a cylinder is formed by rolling this rectangular sheet. So if you roll the rectangular sheet, your shape will be like this. So now this 14 will become the height of the cylinder and it is given radius of the cylinder formed is 20 cm. So now we want to find volume of this cylinder. So now the height of the cylinder is 14 cm and radius of the cylinder is 20 cm. So we know the formula for volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. That is volume of the base into height. Base is in the form of a circle. So area of the circle, that is pi r square into height. We know r and h. So we can directly substitute. So it's given in our question. For pi we have to substitute 22 divided by 7. So 22 divided by 7 into radius is 20 cm squared. So again 20 cm into 14 cm. So if you simplify this, our answer will be 17,600 centimeter cube. So the volume of the cylinder is 17,600 centimeter cube. Hope you have understood how to find the volume of the given object and also the capacity of the given object and difference between the both. Thank you for watching this video.